So Suno AI finally rolled out the update you've all been waiting for. Yes, you can now set the duration of your song before you generate it. Now honestly, I'm not a huge fan of putting too many restrictions on Suno's creative freedom. However, there are definitely times when you need a song to fit within a specific duration, so it would be nice to have the option. But the real question is, does it actually work? And even if it does, will those songs still sound good? Well, let's test it and find out. So this one isn't exactly hard to find. Go into Create, Advanced Mode, then under More Options, you will see the new additional option for Duration. By default, it's set to Auto, which means Suno decides the song length for you. But once you switch it over to Custom, you get this slider, and from there, you can choose exactly how long you want the song to be, all the way up to 6 minutes. And if you want to go back to normal, just hit the reset button and it switches back to auto. Pretty simple. Now this got me thinking, isn't the duration of a song roughly related to the amount of lyrics? Short lyrics means a shorter song, and long lyrics give you a longer song, right? At least that makes sense. So I already have a finished song in my library that runs for around 3 minutes. Now I'm going to take the exact same lyrics and style prompt from this track and paste on the Create section. And then I'm gonna go to More Options, click on Custom Duration, and set the slider for 5 minutes and 25 seconds. These same lyrics gave me a song of 3 minutes and 15 seconds runtime before, and I love that original song. And now, we're forcing Suno to give a considerably longer song on the exact same materials, and I'm not giving it any extra lyrics to work with. Alright, let's see what happens. And that's definitely not what I expected. I asked Suno for 5 minutes and 25 seconds, but both versions came out to be around 3 minutes, so neither of them even got close. In fact, both are basically in the exact same 3-minute range as my original song. So even though we asked Suno to do so, the duration slider didn't just stretch it out to a long duration. I believe that's a good thing, because let's be honest, our request was absurd. However, as a test, yeah, this first one was a pretty clear miss. The lyrics seem to have a much stronger influence on the final length than I expected. Maybe making a song longer is harder, because Suno simply doesn't have enough lyrical material to naturally fill all that extra time. But what happens if we ask it to make the exact same song shorter instead? Let's try it out as well. I'm keeping everything exactly the same again, but this time, I'm bringing the duration all the way down to 2 minutes. Now Suno doesn't need to invent anything new, it just needs to fit the existing lyrics into a smaller space. Okay, let's generate it and see what comes up. Oh, that actually worked. This time, both versions came out at exactly 2 minutes. So compared to our first test, this is a completely different result. When I asked Suno to stretch a 3-minute song to 5 minutes and 25 seconds, it basically ignored my request. But when I asked it to shorten that same song to 2 minutes, it hit the target duration perfectly. But of course, that is only half the job. The song still has to sound good. So let's listen through these and see what Suno actually sacrificed to make them fit. Well, that is not okay. Instead of compressing the materials or removing something to shorten the length, it abruptly cut the song off at the 2-minute mark. I don't know about you guys, but that is not something I would want for my songs. So technically, yes, it hit the duration. But I would still call this a failure. Even though we've now got an option to control the song duration, it still seems to work based on the amount of content you provide Suno. So yeah, sure, you can give it long lyrics with a long duration set, and you may get that length for your song. But give it too little content for a long song, and it may struggle or ignore the request altogether. Or give it too much content for a short length, and it can simply cut things out. So far, I've been giving Suno a fixed set of lyrics. But what happens if we let Suno write the lyrics itself? Honestly, it doesn't make sense to me why this would even work, because getting Suno's help to write our lyrics does not have anything to do with aligning them with the duration slider. But anyway, let's try that out as well. So I'm going to remove the lyrics here and type a simple idea in the prompt box. I'll keep the same general style and set the duration back to 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's generate it. Look at that. We have got our two versions, one in the exact duration we asked for, and the other version again around the 3-minute mark. A 2-minute gap? That is super weird. I don't feel very good about this one, but let's hear this long version and see what happens. This time, the song actually finishes completely around the 3-minute mark, with the outro and even a proper explosive ending as well. And then, afterwards, it starts again from the verse. That is pretty crazy, and it shouldn't be happening. Suno is still working the duration based on the amount of lyrics, and all this forcing feels just wrong. But there's one case where lyrics shouldn't matter at all: an instrumental. This will be the perfect opportunity for this option to show us that this update is worth anything. For this one, I'm removing all the lyrics, and let's remove the vocal keywords from the style prompt as well. We will select the instrumental mode from here and aim for the same 5 minute 20 seconds duration. Oh, this is painful. We asked for an instrumental track of 5 minutes and 20 seconds, and we got the both versions again around 3 minutes. This instrumental has 0 lyrics to run out of, but still it did not manage to comply with the duration we asked for. It almost feels like Suno just has a length it likes, and this slider isn't strong enough to pull it away from that. At this point, I think we've tested this from enough different angles. I wish I could say this was a hit or miss, but even when the songs hit the target duration, the results turned out to be awful. Right now, I just don't think it's reliable enough for major duration changes. It's definitely not a magic button. If your lyrics already roughly match the duration you're asking for, maybe you'll have better luck. But if you're expecting this slider to turn a 3-minute song into a clean 5-minute song, or squeeze it down to 2 minutes without breaking anything, my tests definitely did not support that. Maybe it will improve in the future, or maybe you should just keep this on auto and let Suno do its thing. I'd love to see your thoughts on this new update. Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, you should subscribe to my channel for more Suno updates, news, and breakdowns.